Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Shraddha. Today I will talk about the Mousehover in a Playwright. So in this series I will explain you how to write the script using the Mousehover in a Playwright. So first of all, we would try to understand what is a Mousehover in a Playwright. So let's get started. In a Playwright, Mousehover is the action of moving the mouse pointer over an element without clicking it. So we will use the method like first we will find the locator and then dot hover. Hover is the method. I will show you, and I have already written my script. So first I will show which site we want to test today. Control C and let me open the Google Chrome, and I will show you, paste it here. So this site, test automation practice blog spot.com. This site today we will test, and you can go scroll down. So here you can see the Mousehover, and if I put my cursor here, you can see the other option is showing up. So basically what it does, so it's estimate the user moving the mouse over the given element. So this is the element. If I'll put my cursor here, you will able to see the other option is start to showing up. But if I will put my cursor in any other element, it is not showing any other options. So it's basically open the, if you see the drop down menu or tooltip that appear only when the mouse is hovered, or it's like ensure the element is visible, enabled or stable before performing the action. So in short, I would say Mousehover in Playwright is the way to estimate the real user behavior of placing the cursor over an element to reveal hidden menus, just like this. I'm not able to see any options right now. As soon as I put my cursor here, I will start to seeing the other options. So it will use the the hidden menus or tooltips or style. But let me clear one thing. Some people are confused between the Mousehover and click. They are thinking that it's kind of same, but it's completely different, because if you put the cursor here, it will start showing the other option, hidden options in this element. But if you will see like choose file, no file chosen, and if I'll click or if I put my cursor here, it is not showing the other option, just like the Mousehover. If I explicitly click or perform the action, then I will able to see the no file selected. It's mean that if I put the Mousehover element on our cursor, it will show the other options. But if I want to perform any click action, I have to perform explicitly on this action, like click action or click method. So there is a difference between the Mousehover and click. So I think it's you guys are understand better that what is a Mousehover and what is a click method, right? So let me open the Visual Studio Code, and I have already written the script because of to save the time. Let me fix it. Okay, so you can see this code is this script is very simple. So right now I'm going to test this site, and this is the Mousehover, and if I click this point me element, it will show the mobiles and laptops. So I want to test this point me. As soon as I put my cursor, it will select the laptops. So let me show you the scripts. So first, as you know, this is the package I have already imported. So this package, you can use the require function or you can use the from, because this is the package Playwright test and this is the test and expect function, and I'm importing here. So this first line, line number 1, I think you understand. This line number third, test, because we are using here the test block. So test and Mousehover example, this is the module name. You can provide any module name. I'm giving the related to this test related module name. So it will be easy whenever you give any module name. So try to give always the meaningful or short module name. So it is easy to understand if you want to write some scripts. So this is the module name and this is a async. This is the page fixture. I have already explained in my previous video. If you haven't watched it, please go and watch it. Definitely it will helpful for you. And this is an anonymous function, this arrow, and start the curly braces and here the end of the curly braces. In between I will explain each and everything. So right now, line number 5, you can see page.go to URL. So which URL I want to launch it or navigate? So I want to navigate this URL. I'll show you already. This is the URL I want to launch it. So it's already open. And after that, just find the, so I want to test this point me, and as soon as we put our cursor here, it will start to showing the other options. Once it will open, it will select the laptop. So we want to select the laptop. So how we can achieve this? First, we need to inspect this point me element locator. So right click and select the inspect. In here you can see the button class point me, and this is the, so right now I have already written the XPath here. We have a button like, let me show you. Control F if you want to search the element is matching or not. You can use a what is that? Okay, start with here, Control C and Control V. It is not okay. This and this. Now you can see double quotation. It was, I have all written here the double quotation, that's why it's not showing the element is matching. So how we can write the XPath? This is a button, so we select all the buttons first, backslash button, and here I am getting the class. So class is drop down btn. So @ class is equal to drop btn. So this way we will write the XPath, and you can see here 1 of 1. It's a unique element, or it's a unique locator for this element. So right now just page.locator and provide the locator here, and this locator I want just one thing. Why it's okay. This locator I want to store in the variable. So here I'm giving the name of point me because it's easy for me to understand that this element name is a point me. You can provide any, or you can give any variable name. I'm just giving here the point me, and it's always be const. Now my second requirement is, as soon as it will select point me, it will show the point me, it will select the laptops. So next we will find the locator of this laptop. Right click and select the inspect, and right click, select the laptop. You can see here href laptops. So I have already written this XPath, Control C, and now this is, you can 1 of 1. Here to here, Control C, and right here, Control V. Okay, so now maybe it's not, yeah. So this is a laptop, this is an anchor tag because it's under this point me element. This is an anchor tag. Mobile is an anchor tag, mobiles and laptops is an anchor tag. So you can see here href anchor tag is open and here closed, and anchor tag is open and closed. So select write the anchor tag, and because this is under the text, we are using the text. So text is equal to anchor tag text. This is a text, like under this point me, it is a, we will use the text method is equal to laptop, means to, as soon as put my cursor here, it will show the laptop. This is a text. So anchor tag text is equal to laptop. And now we have to page dot locator right here, page dot locator, and provide the locator, and this locator we want to store in the variable. So I'm giving the variable name is a laptops and is always be const. And here we will write the method, hover method we will use, because the locator is inside this point me locator, and laptop locator is inside this laptop variable. Sorry, this is the variable laptop point me variable, and this is a laptop variable. I'm just giving the name of variable name is a point me and laptop. See these two let me, where is it? Yeah. Point me and laptop. So these two variable we will use here. The method call is hover. So point me dot, suppose I just want to show you, await point me dot hover method, we will use it and use the await keyword. And here the laptop variable we will use and dot hover method we will use. Now because I want to see here, we want to see the laptop should be, as soon as we will put the cursor here, laptop should be visible. Where is that? Yeah. So laptop should be as soon as it will select point me, so laptop should be selected. So that's why we will use the expect method used for the validation. So expect function we are using, passing the variable name laptops to be visible, and here we are using the variable. You can write here or you can write the under. So I'm just going to write here because once it will visible, it will start to showing. So laptop dot hover, and now for the pause, like it should we should wait how many seconds the application, it should be visible. So there we will use the page dot wait for timeout. So I'm just giving the 5000 millisecond. So let me execute and see the output. So write in the command in terminal npx playwright test, and test under this folder, name the file name. So the file name is mousehover.spec.js, and we want to see in the headed mode. So space hyphen headed and space hyphen project, which browser we want to see. So I just want to see in the Chromium, so that's why I'm providing here the Chromium. If you want to see in the WebKit or Firefox, you can write the any web browser name, or if you want to see each browser like Chromium, Firefox or WebKit, you should not mention anything. You should not mention this thing. You have to just write headed and this npx here to here, not mention this, because I want to see in the Chromium only specifically. So that's why I specifically mention here the browser Chromium. Let me execute and see the output. So it's passed and it was very fast. Let me open again. Okay, let me show you. And as soon as it will, you can see it's selected the laptop and then it's gone. So now if you want to see the result, you can use this command Control C and Control V, paste it here, enter. Control C, Control V, space hyphen vote is equal to 3000 I'm giving, and it will open the report. So this is the steps you can see. Test steps, past one, because I'm using only the Chromium. You can see here, this is the Chromium. If you want to WebKit, it will show here the WebKit, or Firefox, it will show the Firefox browser name. So this test is passed completely. So it's very simple and very clean script or code. You can see here. I hope you like my video. Please subscribe, share and like, and hit the notification bell so you will get the latest video. Thanks for watching.